In this video, I want to talk about a great add-on that you can put into your Google Docs, which will allow you to leave audio feedback on student essays and student work. So let's open a Google Doc. Here I have just a sample essay that I copied and pasted from the web. And we're going to go to add-ons. Now you're going to hit Get Add-ons, and what you're looking for is Kaizena Mini. Let me show you what it does first. So I don't know if you say this Kaizena or Kaizena. Kaizena maybe. But what you can do here is I can highlight a part and then move this down just a little bit so you can see I can hit new feedback. And now I can hit this record button and I can record audio feedback for this specific part of the essay. I could also put a comment, I could type in some feedback, or I could add a link, or I could add a specific skill where I could highlight it. Like if a student is struggling with comma splices, I can highlight each time they use comma splices incorrectly, or excuse me, every time they use commas incorrectly, and I can tag it as that skill. But let's do the audio feedback. Okay. So I'm going to hit this button to record. And I'm going to hit start recording. So you can see it says stop recording, you're on the air, and you can hit stop. And you can see who left the comment, when they left it, and you can see this play button here. Which is kind of trippy because it's like me talking in a recording where I'm also talking. But then it also lists all the different spots that I gave feedback. So here I gave 28 seconds of feedback, and here I gave 5 seconds of feedback. So when the student opens it, what they're going to see over here is just the feedback on the right hand, just the different specific amounts of feedback over here. I like this because if I'm typing in comments, sometimes students can copy and paste my suggestions into their writing instead of having to actually rewrite it. I also think it saves me a ton of time because for me it's a lot easier to explain something than to type it out in comments. And I think that students can kind of get the tone. It can become kind of a conversation. I feel that sometimes when I write things, they sound kind of harsh, but if I can explain them a little bit more, then I can really get my point across in a way that makes more sense to the student.